Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ibos Ozu. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create multiple survey app, how to create different survey app. Sometimes, for instance, Ipsos, I say, Panel Opinion app, Askable. Those app you can use them multiple times because you have only one phone. You can only do them. You can download one per phone. Yeah, that's how many people do it. But there is a way to create multiple apps on one particular phone. Yeah, and it will work. This is what I will be showing you in this video. So the first thing you need to do, what you need to do is to go to your Play Store. I think I'm in my Play Store already. And let me go back to it. Go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Then search for clone app. There are many clone app out there. There are many clone app you can use. About clone app, okay? Clone app, yes. See, do I have space? You can use this. Clone app, parallel space. You can use it. Multiple accounts, you can use it. Parallel place, super clone. You can use all these things. You can try them out. But what I use is super clone. Some of these app here might not work for your phone because uh, uh, some of them require too much of RAM. Yeah, some of them require a bigger RAM. So if you are using phone of 4 gig RAM, 2 gig RAM, 8 gig RAM, you can use SuperClone. SuperClone is good for you. It won't cause you won't have any issue with it. Yeah, you won't have any issue with it. So download this app, SuperClone app. SuperClone app from your Play Store. Download it and install it. Now let's go over to the app. As you can see, I've already installed it. I've installed it already. So let's go to the app. Let's go to the app. Oh, this is it. This is the app over here. Super Chrome. This is the app over here. Click it. After you download it, click it. As you can see, I have some of my apps there. These apps now, this is 1, 2, 3, and I have it over here in my app. Apps as I say here, it's there. So after downloading the super clone and you are here, and for your own will be white. There won't be anything except for this. Let me use brush. Except for this plus. Except for this plus, it will be white. So click on this plus. Click it. Click it. You can use it to clone any app. You can use it to clone any app. You can use it to clone Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, anything. You can use it to clone any app. You can use it to clone any survey app. Okay, let me clone this Mingo. Let me clone one app now. Let me clone one Prime Opinion app. You wait for it. Yeah, I've cloned the app now. I've cloned the app. See, I'm in super clone. Let's go back to the app. This is the Prime Opinion I clone. Let's check my own. Let's check the normal Prime Opinion. Yeah, this is the normal Prime Opinion over here. This is the normal Prime Opinion here. This is the normal Prime Opinion, and this is the cloned one. This is the cloned one here. When you click it, it will create another tab. But to be at the safer side, so that your app will not just stop abruptly when doing survey, make sure you clear all what you've minimized. this Play Store, clear all the minimize before,
Is your life disrupted by irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, urgency, tummy pain, bloating? Missing out on life by being chained to the loo? Trust Enteros Gel, a drug-free, tasteless gel that you mix with water. Unlike other treatments, Enteros Gel travels along the gut, removing some bacterial toxins and harmful irritants that can cause IBS. Recommended by doctors and clinically proven for safe and effective IBS relief. Start Enteros Gel today.
just click it. Yeah, they show ad. That's the problem. They show ad. They will show shorts ad, but this is better. It's better. If you don't want to see the ad, you can subscribe. We'll go over there later. Yeah, this is the cloned app now. See, working perfectly. Super clone will create two tabs for you. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is the clone app. This is the super clone. So this clone app is working on the within super clone. That's why you have two super clone app here, two super clone header here. So if you don't want to, if you hate ad and you don't want to be seeing ad, what you need to do is to subscribe. Let me see. There's a way to subscribe around here. Just come to this place. Just play around this setting. Play around it. You will find a way to subscribe. Yeah, this is it. This is it. This is it. Around here. Yeah. 1 month, 900 naira. 1 year, 3 months. You will stop seeing ad like that, and you have more space. For free, you can clone. Let me see the amount of. Let's go back. For free, you can clone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can clone up to 8 app for free. Up to 8 app. You can clone up to 8 app for free. But when you make payments, you can clone as much as possible, which is just 900 naira per month. As you can see now, I'm not paying any fee. I'm not paying any fee because this is enough for me. That is how to clone different survey app. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and like. You can also comment. When you comment, I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.